Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering which currencies you can actually use on YouTrip? Don't worry, you're not alone. We've all been there, staring at a foreign menu, trying to figure out if our card will even work. So, let's dive in and uncover the truth about which currencies YouTrip supports. Now, YouTrip is a fantastic tool for making your travel smoother and more affordable. But it's crucial to know which currencies are accepted to avoid any unexpected surprises. Essentially, YouTrip aims to cover the most popular and frequently traveled destinations. So, generally speaking, you're good to go with major currencies like US dollars, euros, British pounds, and many more. Technically, YouTrip operates on the MasterCard network. This means it generally accepts currencies that are widely supported by MasterCard worldwide. However, it's always a good idea to double-check the official YouTrip website or app for the most up-to-date information. They often have a list of supported currencies, and this list can change occasionally. Pro tip: before you embark on your journey, take a quick look at the YouTrip app or website. You can usually find a currency converter there. This handy tool helps you estimate the exchange rates and get a better idea of how much your spending will translate back to your home currency. Now, you might be wondering about those lesser-known currencies. Unfortunately, YouTrip might not support every single currency out there. If you're planning to visit a more off-the-beaten-path destination, it's wise to do a little extra research. You might want to consider carrying some local cash as a backup or exploring alternative payment options. But don't let this discourage you. YouTrip covers a vast majority of popular travel destinations. And even if you encounter a currency that's not directly supported, you might still be able to use it through a workaround. For example, some merchants might accept payments in US dollars even if the local currency is different. So, in a nutshell, YouTrip generally supports major currencies worldwide, operating on the MasterCard network. Always refer to the official YouTrip channels for the most accurate and up-to-date information. And remember to utilize the currency converter within the app for a smoother travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.